First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, before watching the seating arrangement for the mains level exams, so you have to know one important thing. So before watching this video, the same question what I am going to teach here is available as the test series, right? So visit my website or my mobile application, Feel Free to Learn. So there in the reasoning ability, when you scroll down, at the last you can able to see a test called seating arrangement mains level. So there you can able to see the same question as a test for 15 minutes what I am going to teach now. So first what you need to do here is, so friends, first write the test. And if you can able to get 5 out of 5, extremely good. And if you can't able to score that mark and you are struggling to solve the arrangement, and then come and watch this video, right? Why? Because without writing the test just like that, if you watch this video, then 100% the video will be no use. So first you have to write the test, analyze your score, and where you are making a mistake, completely look into all these stuff and then watch the video. Definitely this video will be helpful. So now let me move on to all the seating arrangement for mains level exams. So friends, now let me get into the second set of seating arrangement for the mains level exam. So I hope you have taken the test of the same question. So I have given 15 minutes, I think so, the total timing. In case if you got 5 out of 5 in this type of arrangement, it's extremely good. But if you take much time, for example, if you are taking 20 minutes or 25 minutes to solve this question, no issue, but make sure that you should get 5 out of 5. That is important, right? So it is based on a floor puzzle. So there are 3 floors in a given building such that floor 2 is above floor 1 and floor 3 is above floor 2. So totally there are 3 floors, right? So floor 1, so floor 2 and floor 3. So totally, okay, so 3 floors, and in the building there are 3 flats on each floor such that flat A is to the west of flat B, so which is in the west of flat C. So the meaning here is, so flat B western side is flat A and each floor is having a 3 flat. So flat A, flat B and flat C. So flat A, what they are saying is flat A is to the west of flat B. So flat B north, south, west and east, right? So flat B western side is flat A, and similarly flat C western side is flat B. So this is the data they have given in the initial passage. In the building, each flat has a floor of area 2520 square feet. So here each floor having 3 flats, and each flat the square feet is how much? 2520. And certain number of rooms are there in a flat, and no 2 room has the same number of rooms, right? So no 2 flats have the same number of rooms. For example, if the 3rd floor flat A, as let me assume that, right? So 3rd floor flat A has 9 rooms. So the remaining floors on the flat should not contain 9 rooms. It should have a different number of rooms, right? So the same room is not repeated for the 2 flats, right? So this is the point they have given. So always, friends, initially take some time to draw this kind of any diagram, right? For example, 2 years back in a CAT exam, they have asked a question that is based on an apartment based. So the apartment looks like a square shaped apartment. So here there are 4 flats, and the 4 flats are the corner, right? So 1, 2, 3 and the floor. So each 2 flats are facing each other. The door of each 2 flats, these 2 flats will be facing each other, and the door of these 2 flats will be facing each other. So totally in one floor there are 4 houses, right? So similarly there are 4 flats, that is 4 floors, right, in the flats. So these kinds of questions they have asked in the CAT exam 2 years back. So drawing a diagram initially takes you time, because you have to read the question carefully and understand that how the flats looks like, how the floors looks like. So after drawing a diagram, we can go with the possibilities if required, but initial diagram is more important. So many students have struggled to solve this question in the CAT exam 3 years back. So the apartment looks like a square based, and the floors are located at the corners, right? Each square corners were the houses, and 2 houses doors are facing each other. So these 2 houses door and these 2 houses doors are facing each other, and each flat have 5 floors. So similarly it has a 5 floors, right? So the questions is completely different. So you have to be very careful on drawing a diagram initially, right? Okay, so now let me move on to the questions now. So now what they are saying is the area of each room of one of the flat on an odd number floor is 280, right? So one of the flat on an odd number floor is how much? 280. So total 2520 is the total square feet of the each flat. So now each room of one of the flat is how much feet? So 280. So we can cancel this. 9 2s are 80. So 9 rooms, right? So totally one flat, any one of the flats is having 9 rooms, but they have given one clue that so the area of each room of one of the flat on an odd number floor. So odd number floor we have first and the third. So any one of the flat will be 9 rooms. But we don't know which flat has 9 rooms, but that 9 room is in the odd number floor, right? Either it can be on the third floor or it can be on the first floor, right? So this is the first clue they have given. Second, the floor having 9 room is one of the floor below the floor having each room area of 360 feet. So each room feet is how much? 360. So let me find that. So second 2520. So divided by 360. So 360, right? So 0 0. 7 rooms, right? So 7. Yes. So what they are saying is, we can read the point again. The floor having 9 room is one of the floor below the floor having this much of room. So 7 rooms below it should be 9 room. And we already know one point that this 9 room flat is on the odd number floor, right? So definitely this 9 room will not be on the third floor. Why? Because so 7 rooms below it should have 9 rooms, right? So definitely any one of the first floor flat will contain 9 rooms, right? And any one of the flats on the second floor will be 7 room. Only then we can say immediately below 7 it should be 9, right? Okay. So what about the next point? 360. Okay. What about the next point? The area of each room on the third of flat A. So it's a direct point, I think so. So third floor of flat A, right, is 350 feet more than the area of flat having 9 rooms. So 9 rooms, what is the square feet of each room? 280, right? So 280, so plus 350 more, right? So when you add 0, 8 and 5. So 1, 630. So 630 feet will be the square feet of the, area, right? Area of the each room. So we can say that how many rooms are there? 2520 divided by 630. Yes, they have given 350, right? Yes, 350. 350, 280. Okay. So 0 0. This will be 4 rooms. So we can say that third floor flat A will contain 4 rooms. It's a direct statement. So friends, understood or not? The area of each room on the third floor of flat A is how much more? 350 more. So 350 more comparing to the flat which has 9 rooms. So 9 rooms area is 280. So 280 plus 350 more. So total will be 630. So the total flat area is 2520. So in order, if you divide that, we can find this flat, how many rooms are there? 4 rooms. So 4 rooms will be here, right, on the third floor flat A. So finally we have fixed one value. So what about the next thing? So the total number of, the total number of rooms in all the flats of floor 2 is 15. So floor 2, when you add all the 3 flats rooms, so the total is how much? What they have given is 15. So 15 rooms will be the total of the second floor, all the flats. So number of rooms in flat C of second floor. So number of rooms on flat C on the second floor, okay, is more than the number of rooms in the flat A. Okay, so what they are saying is, when compared to flat A, the number of rooms on flat C is more, right? And compared to flat A on the second floor, flat C is more. And what about the second one on the second floor, but less than the number of rooms in the flat B? So this, just listen here, what they are saying is, the number of rooms in flat C is more than flat A, and number of rooms that are flat C is less than flat B. The meaning here is, flat B should contains the highest number of rooms, and the next highest number of rooms should be flat C, and the lowest number of rooms should be flat A. So this is the point they have given. Okay, but we can't able to fix anything here. Let me move on to the next point. So the flat having each room area of 420 feet is in the west of the flat having each room of 252. So 420, right? So 2520. So 2520 divided by 420. So 0, 0, 6 2s are 12, 6 rooms. And each room 2520, each room is 252. So which means 10 rooms. So the point here is the flat which has 10 rooms, western side should have 6 rooms, right? So 10 and 6. 10 and 6. So 10 room left hand side, it should be 6 room. We can't able to fix 10, 6 anywhere else here. Why? Because when you add all the 3 rooms total, it should have 15. But if you fix 10 and 6 here, it will be 16. So that is not possible. So there is two chances. Either we can fix 10 and 6 here, one possibility, or else 10, 6, any of these on the first floor. But 10 western side, it should have 6 rooms, right? Okay, so let me take it as a clue. So this is already one clue here. So 10 and 6, this will be the second clue. So next point. There is only one floor between the floor having 2 rooms and the floor having each room of 630 feet. See, 630 feet is almost 630 feet will be 4 rooms, right? So between 4 rooms and the flat having 2 rooms, so between that there is only one flat gap. So definitely this must be 2, right? So we can say that 4 rooms, the flat having 4 rooms and the flat having two rooms, right? So the gap between them is the one flat. So that's the point they have given, right? There is only one floor between. So there is only one floor between the floor which has 4 rooms and 2 rooms. So that's it, we fixed here. And definitely we can fix 10 and 6 also. 10 and 6 will be definitely here. Why? Because we already know that. So above 9 it should be 7. So any one point should be 9 here. So when you place 10 and 6, we can't able to fix 9. So definitely this must be 10 and this must be 6, right? And we know that immediately above 9 it should be 7. So here it can be 9, it can be 7 here, or else here it can be 9, it can be 7, and total must be 15. And here we already know that this is the largest number of floors, right? When compared to this all the flats in the second floor, this should be highest. So definitely this should be 9 and this should be 7. No other way. If you fix 7 here, this should be more than that, right? This should be 8 or something. We know total only 15. So 7 will not come here. Only 7 we can fix here. So 9 and 7. So still some more points are remaining, right? Okay. So what all the points are remaining? The flat having each room of 504 feet is on the even number floor. The floor having each room of 315 feet is kept immediately below the floor which has 5 rooms. So immediately below 5, right, it should have, the flat should have 315 feet. So definitely 5 should not be fixed here. Why? Because immediately 5, 315 square feet. So definitely this is not possible. So 5 should be fixed here and the 315, right? So 2520. 315, 8 rooms. So 8 rooms should be here, and we know that if you add all the value it should be 15. So 7, 12, so this will be 3. So now you can see that the second floor, so this will be lowest, so this is highest and the second lowest. Yes, it's correct according to the point. So below 5 it is 315. So below 5, 315, 8 flats. Okay. So and the 9 rooms is on the odd number floor. Okay, right? So rooms having four rooms and 2 rooms, there is a gap of 1 floor. Yes. Okay, that's it. So finally we fixed. Yes, so finally we fixed the arrangement, right? We got an answer for this. So be slow always. Sometimes arrangements, definitely not sometimes, if you are going for the mains exam, definitely the arrangement will be tougher, right? Very, very hard, but you should not worry about it. You should keep on practicing tough level arrangements. So definitely you can able to clear the question what they are going to ask in the exams, right? It requires practice first. And second thing, you need to be little bit slow. You should not be very fast to solve these kinds of arrangement because it takes time. So there is a chance that you might make a mistake if you solve the question fastly. So just spend little more time extra to solve an arrangement. Be slow, definitely you will get the answer right. So thank you friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much for watching it. Bye.